I've decided to change my search engine in Chrome from the default, which is Google, to ChatGPT. Let me show you why. In Google search, I've typed in the search that I want to execute, which is a simple search just for Bob3160. Happens to be me. So let's do that search and see what it looks like, what the results are. And as you can see, yes, it gives me lots of information about myself. Yeah, Norbert Bob Justicia is the same as Bob 3160. But that's pretty cut and dry. It just gives me the different locations where you can find information about me. If you want to install the search from ChatGPT, it's very simple. Go over to the store and do a search for ChatGPT search. It'll get you to this. I'll post the link in the show notes. And once you get here, I've already installed this and I disabled it so I could show you the results using Google's search engine. So let me enable this. Let me go to an empty spot. Again, type in Bob 3160. Hit the enter key. You'll notice now the top one comes up as ChatGPT search. And I'm now in ChatGPT. And here is what comes up. Totally different from what I got when I originally did the search in Google's search engine. Give it a try. You might enjoy this more than what you currently get out of your default search engine. Let me know what you think in the comments. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps.